All right, so Aditi, good afternoon.
Good
We're
afternoon.
here in software engineering. These are the project update videos. So if you would please tell us a little bit about yourself, name, where you're from, and when you plan on graduating from SWASU.
I'm Aditi Shrestha and I'm from Nepal. I am hoping to graduate next year, 2019, on May.
Outstanding. That'll be here before you know it. Can you tell us a little bit, what is your project that you're working on?
Okay, so my project is about the salesman problem that we are trying to solve it in a Jupyter notebook on a Raspberry Pi cluster. And we are trying to work on it.
Okay. So you're trying to come up with an algorithm to solve the traveling salesman problem, classic computer science problem. But the interesting thing is you're going to try to use Jupyter Notebook as the platform for your team to design the code. What was it that interested you about this project? How did you get started on this?
Okay, so at first I didn't know nothing about Jupyter Notebook and stuff like that, but then I applied for an internship, and then they had different topics about it, and one of them was Jupyter Notebook for kennel in NCL. So I looked through it, and then I wanted to know more about Jupyter Notebook because it's so different for me, and that way we came up with this project as a whole.
Okay, what is NCL?
NCL is actually NCL stands for NCAR command language, and NCAR is a research center for like National Center of Atmospheric Research. So it's like all combined together. So it's a text-based language that helps to like manipulate data, and also helps to like NCAR graphic images and stuff like that.
Outstanding. Any news yet about the internship?
Yeah, I just got selected. I was so
Yay!
excited. I got yesterday an email from them, and I got selected, and I'm very excited. It starts on May 20 till August 3rd, so it's gonna be fun.
Where will you be doing that internship?
It's gonna be in Boulder, Colorado.
Okay.
So I'm really excited about it.
That is excellent. I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.
What are, other than getting picked up for the internship, of course, what are some of the exciting things you've had happen on the project so far?
So, I would say the exciting thing for me was to learn new stuff like Jupyter Notebook. Like, I've never heard that before, and I don't even know what that is. But then gradually, when I studied and worked on it, it's a web server where you can put your works in there, and like everybody else can see it and edit it, but you have to have like a connection. And it's really nice, like for this generation, it's growing so much that it has like a lot of scopes for the future computer science related stuffs and all. So yeah.
Outstanding. What part of your projects do you feel have required the most work or the most attention so far?
I would say coding, because we haven't done a lot of coding in Python, and Python is the only language that supports, like, it's not the only, but it's really efficient language to work on Jupyter Notebook. So working with Python is like one of the great biggest challenge or thing that we have working on. And in my team, like, we are 3 of us, and neither of us have like a lot of experience in Python because we have been using Java every time on the other classes and stuff. So working on Python is a big challenge, I guess.
That's understandable. Yeah, the new languages are always just a little more difficult to pick up. Spring break is coming up. What are your big plans for the next 3 weeks? What do you hope to get accomplished with your project?
So I hope that since right now I'm working on Raspberry Pi 1, so it's not a vast, like, I cannot connect a lot of servers with that. So I hope to work with a different, bigger, like a whole server in the upcoming 3 weeks, and also I hope to like completely get done with coding and everything.
Yeah, I've been visiting with Nick McDaniel and also Devin Smoot, and right now we've got a small cluster of 8 servers. They're Dell 1950s, donated to the program by Oklahoma State University, and we're hoping to get that spun up. And there's been discussion of setting, different containers or something on top of that we can spread then the Jupyter hub across the entire server. So. Do you have any fun stories? Anything that's been fun or interesting yet on your project?
Not that I can think of. I wish I had, but I don't think I can remember any of them.
That's understandable. Sometimes work is like that. What is done going to look like for you on this project? What is success? How do you define that?
I would say a complete traveling salesman's code working on the Jupyter notebook with the cluster would be my done project.
I want to ask you a slightly different question. Congratulations on getting selected for your internship.
Thank you.
For other students that want to get started on applying for internships, do you have any advice for them? What other students should do?
I would say go meet your professor. Just like I did, like I met you and talked to you about it. But I think you just have to get going. Like, don't give up. Since like I don't have like a lot of experience on internship and stuff like that, but still like you should never give up. Like you should just try it at least. Even if you don't get selected, just give an interview or anything. It will help you for the future and stuff.
Thank you. That's excellent advice. What are your plans after you finish here at SWOSU, after you graduate with your bachelor's degree?
I hope to get a nice job somewhere with the programming and stuff. And I would like to, after, like when I'm doing my job, after I get experience on it, I would like to go to a grad school as well.
That would be outstanding.
Yeah.
I think you'd make an excellent graduate student. You've definitely made an excellent undergraduate student.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for spending time with us today, and good luck with your project.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.